Good morning, all of you. Then, how are you today, Putta? Then, actually, I like to see you all. I love you so much. Hmm? Now, see, today I am going to teach to you how we should have to read time. Now, already do you have this book? And also in this book, ah, there are some pages you should have write time. Can you see here? What is this? This is a clock. What is this? This is a clock. Now already do you have this book? Please take out and ready to study this lesson. Okay. Now see. Can you see in this clock there are two hands. See this one little bit short. We call for this hand short hand. This hand short hand. But this one is long than to this one. Then we call for this long hand. Short hand and long hand. There are two hands. But in our clocks there are three. But today we are going to learn regarding these two hands and using these two hands how we should have to read time. Okay. Now see, already my students, you know how to read these numbers. Now see, what is this number? Read. I can't hear. Or read loudly. What is this number? Number 1. This one. Number 2. Number 2. This one. Number 3. This number is number 3. This one number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12. 1 to 12 numbers are here. Okay. Already you know. Can you read again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then when we read the time, see this long hand 12 to 1. If we run 12 to 1, we'll pass 5 minutes. How many minutes? 5. When it comes to number 2, 5 plus 5, 10. Then when it's come to here, 15. Like this, 60 minutes are taken going around this clock. Then 60 minutes means 1 hour. Okay. Now we'll see when we read the time. See, look at this. This is a clock. This is a clock. Now see, when I read this one, look at well. Now see, now long hand is near number where? 12. Now both numbers are nearby number 12. Then we can say 12 o'clock. What's the time now? 12 o'clock. 12. Now see. When it's go here. Now see. I told it's going around this clock. They are taking 60 minutes. Now see, can you see where's the short hand? Where's the short hand? Short hand nearby number 1, but long hand nearby number 12. We should have to think about where's the short hand? Where's the short hand now? Nearby number 1. Then we can say, what's the time now? 1 o'clock. What's the time now? 1 o'clock. What is the time now? 1 o'clock. Now see, again it is rotating around this. See, little by little this short hand is coming near to number 2. Now what's the time? Every time long hand near by number 12, I told you should have to think about where's the short hand. Where's the short hand now? It's nearby number 2. What's the time now? 2 o'clock. What is the time now? It's a 2 o'clock. What is the time now? 2 o'clock. Now see, again it is rotating. Again it is rotating. Now see, little by little this shorthand, see, came near to number 3. Now what's the time? 3 o'clock. What's the time now? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Now again it is rotating. See, when long hand rotate around the clock, the short hand little by little come into near number 4. Now what's the time? 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. What is the time now? 4 o'clock. What's the time now? It's 4 o'clock. Now again. Now you should have to say, Kavya should tell me what is the time now. What is the time now? Very good. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. What is the time now? 5 o'clock. Now, Dylan tell me, now it is coming to number 6. Now what is the time? What is the time now? Very good. Now 6 o'clock. Because shorthand is nearby number 6. Now time is 6 o'clock. Then Pasita tell me. Oh, wait. Pasita, what's the time now? Where's the shorthand? It's which number? It's nearby number 7. What's the time now? 7 o'clock. What's the time now? 7 o'clock. Very good. Now I would like to ask for Nulara. Nulara, tell me what is the time now? Wait. What's the time now, Nulara? 8 o'clock. What is the time now? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Now again, this long hand is rotating around the clock. Akesha, can you tell me what's the time now? 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. Then I would like to ask Sheni, Deuli, Chavindu, Soniru, look at there. Tell me what's the time now? What's the time now? It's 10 o'clock because shorthand is nearby number 10. What's the time now? It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Now I would like to ask for Nishel, Shan, Kavindu, Anugi, Samadhi. Look at here. What's the time now? Where's the shorthand? It's nearby number 11. Then what's the time now? 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. What's the time now? It's 11 o'clock. Now again, see, both hands nearby number 12. Dasanya, tell me what's the time now? Yes, 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Very good. Now already you can try the time, no? Then I would like to ask again. Oh, Soniru, I can't hear. Soniru, are you here? Chavindu, Soniru. Where's my little Chavindu? Sandika? Wait. No, you should have to read the time. Wait. I will ask from you. Now you can remember already there are two hands. When today we learn 1 hour how you should have to read. Then at that moment you should have to think about where's the shorthand. No? Now tell me what is the time. Very good. 2 o'clock because shorthand, may see, shorthand is nearby number 2. Now time is 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Now we'll see. Samadhi, are you here? Akenya, Akesha, Samadhi, Deuli. Can you understand? Good. Now tell me, both of you, what's the time now? See, shorthand is nearby number 4. What is the time now? 4 o'clock. Very good. What is the time now? 4 o'clock. Very good. And now, again, we'll see who can say. Abhilash, are you here? Sandika, Abhilash, and also I can't remember your names also because these days you are not coming to the school. But I would like to see all. Where's the shorthand now? Shorthand nearby number 6. Shorthand nearby number 6. Every time longhand nearby number 12. I told you should have to think about the shorthand. What's the time now? It's 6 o'clock. What's the time now? It's 6 o'clock. Good. Now you can read the time, no? Now see. Then you should have to fill this. Now can you see? What's the time now? Where's the shorthand? Shorthand nearby number 1. Then you should have write. What's it now? It's a 1 o'clock. It's a 1 o'clock. This one? Shorthand. Where? Shorthand nearby number 5. Then it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Okay? Now see this one. Shorthand nearby number 4. It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Shorthand nearby number 7. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. You should have to put the numbers. Okay? Now see here. Shorthand nearby number 3. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Shorthand nearby number 6. It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. Here. Shorthand nearby number 2. 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. Shorthand number nearby number 10. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Are there any pages? Yes, there are more clocks are here. See. Shorthand nearby number 8. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Shorthand nearby number 9. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. Shorthand nearby number 11. It's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. See shorthand. Both hands are nearby number 12. It's 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Every time you should have to think where's the shorthand. You should have to write this number here. This shorthand nearby number 11. You should have write number 11. Shorthand nearby number 9. You should have number 9. Shorthand nearby number 8. You should have write number 8. Okay, can you understand? See here. Shorthand nearby number 10. You should have write 10. Shorthand nearby number 2. You should have write number 2. Shorthand nearby number 4. You should have write number 4. Shorthand nearby number 7. You should have write number 7. Shorthand number 1. You should have write number 1. Shorthand nearby number 5. You should have number 5. Not only that, you should have to practice read. It's 1 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Okay. I think you understood. Now, not only fill in the blanks. Already you have in your home clock. Say the time, read the time and say with your parents. Bye.